If you're serious about your oral health and want a premium brushing experience that rivals a professional cleaning, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 is one of the most advanced electric toothbrushes on the market today. This model, the HX9923/11, in a sleek black finish, combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to elevate your daily dental routine. At its core is Sonicare's powerful sonic technology, delivering up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, which creates microbubbles that reach deep between teeth and along the gum line. This dynamic cleaning action helps remove up to 10 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush and can improve gum health in as little as 2 weeks. One of the standout features of the DiamondClean Smart 9500 is its smart sensor technology. It includes a built-in pressure sensor that alerts you when you're brushing too hard, helping to protect your gums from overbrushing. The location sensor pairs with the free Philips Sonicare app via Bluetooth, offering real-time feedback and personalized coaching to improve your technique. The app also tracks your brushing progress and lets you know if you've missed any zones. It even includes a scrubbing sensor, guiding you to use gentle, consistent strokes for an effective but non-abrasive clean. Another smart innovation is BrushSync technology. The toothbrush automatically recognizes the type of brush head you're using, whether it's for plaque control, gum care, whitening, or tongue cleaning, and adjusts the mode and intensity accordingly. BrushSync also tracks the wear on each brush head and alerts you when it's time to replace it, ensuring you always get optimal performance. The 9500 offers 5 brushing modes: Clean, White Plus, Gum Health, Deep Clean Plus, and TongueCare. Each mode is optimized for a specific oral care need, and within each mode, you can choose from 3 intensity levels: low, medium, and high, providing a customized experience for every user. Whether you have sensitive teeth, are focused on whitening, or need deep gum cleaning, this brush adapts seamlessly. Design-wise, the DiamondClean Smart 9500 is both functional and stylish. The sleek black handle features a minimalist interface with an intuitive display, while the high-quality travel case doubles as a USB charger, ideal for frequent travelers. The included charging glass base is both elegant and convenient. Simply place the brush in the glass, and it charges wirelessly. Included in the box are multiple premium brush heads like the Premium Plaque Control, Premium Gum Care, and Premium White, giving users the tools to tailor their brushing experience right from the start. Battery life is excellent, offering up to 2 weeks of use on a single full charge. The brush is also safe for use with braces, fillings, crowns, and veneers. Ultimately, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 isn't just a toothbrush. It's a complete smart oral care system.